Hi there. Can you hear that? It's the air conditioner running. It just turned itself on because earlier it turned itself off when it got cool enough in the house. So yeah, we had somebody come out, look at it, and had to buy a whole new outdoor unit. It was more than I was expecting to pay to get the AC fixed, but I mean, it seems like a reasonable price for a whole unit. I was hoping it was just some easy fix, another new motor, or some maintenance thing that we didn't manage to get done or something. But we needed a whole new unit, so that's what we got. In fact, a couple of days ago, it seems like we had trouble with that air conditioner every single year. We've lived here for 8 years. The house was new when we bought it, and I think every year we had to have somebody come out and do something on it. Sometimes it wasn't actually broken, we just didn't know how to get it going again once, like it would flood itself out or whatever, if we hadn't flushed out the pipe, the drain pipe or whatever. That was the first, year. I think it was a year ago, maybe only 6 months ago, that we had to get a new motor for it. Anyway, it was leaning, which I hadn't noticed because I never go to that side of the house. And the slab is like totally crooked. And so all the oil that, makes the machinery in it run smoothly, is all on the low side, and so the high side wears out. So we got a new AC and it works. Yeah, the compressor had gone out, and the something had spots on it. I can't remember what it was now, because I'm tired, because I stayed up too late, because I just finished watching Breaking Bad. I've now seen all episodes that have been aired, so I had to get the 5th season off of BitTorrent, but I saw them, so now I just have to wait until next summer to see the last half of the last season. It's pretty exciting stuff. Yeah. Let's see, what else? So yeah, we finally have all the windows closed. It's finally not humid in the house. We're finally not sweating going to bed. Buddy taught a class in Austin today, so he was here. He was here a little bit this morning, and then this evening he got home while the guys were still testing they had just installed the AC, and they were testing it to make sure everything was working. So he got home about 4 or 5? I don't even remember now. Again, I'm tired. So, yeah, all the windows are closed, and still got the fan going. But we always have a fan going when we're up in here. Let's see, we did school today while the guys were changing out the AC. We're studying water now, so the letter W. And I keep remembering at wrong times, like right now, and like that I was wanting to teach Nathan the sign language signs. I can see the traffic light from here. I never realized I could. There's a traffic light just up the road. Anyway, squirrel. I had meant to teach Nate the signs, the sign language signs for the letters as we learn them, and I did for the first few. I think S, M, and L. I may have done it for A, but yeah, only like the first 4 weeks I think was all I remembered. I think it should have been N also, but not necessarily because we were learning that. Anyway, so now we're on week 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not yet, 10. We're on week 10, so I only did like the first half, maybe. I need to catch up. I don't guess there's much going on other than that, but he's working tomorrow, his normal job, so he'll be gone all day. He'll be home Wednesday. Oh my goodness, he'll be home on Wednesday, and I'm gonna try to take Nathan to the park. Maybe. Depending on what's going on Wednesday. I've got a bunch of stuff on the DVR that I need to catch up on since he's been working so much, and I've been watching Breaking Bad so much. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we make it to the park or not. Let's see. I need to start teaching him his lines for the Christmas play too. We skipped practice on Saturday because Buddy had said that he was going to call the AC guys Saturday and have them come out, and so I was waiting around for that, which obviously didn't happen. But yeah, so I think that's all I've got for today. Nothing really exciting other than the AC, which is really exciting. Cleaned out our emergency fund and plus, but at least it's fixed now, so hopefully we won't have to worry about it for a while anyway. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thankfully he's got a big paycheck coming up because he's been working so much. Comes in this week, so that's cool. I mean, hey, at least we had the money. You know, 5 years ago we would have been like, too bad, I guess we're gonna go without air conditioning or something. Or put it on a credit card or something, make payments, who knows. Well, we would have been freaking out about 5 years ago. So, at least we have the money now that we can spend. So, yeah, that's all I can think of. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm sleepy. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.